Hello and welcome to Poppies and Pincushions. I'm Krista.
I'm Mandy.
And we have some sewing to do. Okay, so June is around the corner. June is Pride Month for all who celebrate. And we have some rainbow fabric that we bought. Wrong way.
Wow. A little ombre rainbow
We have
action.
an ombre rainbow.
Oh my gosh. So
fabric.
cute. It's
What?
so cute.
What are we gonna make? All right, so going back to the invoice that we keep crossing things off of, it's bright rainbow ombre satin. We got 6 yards of it. It was $6.79 the last time I was on Cali Fabrics. Not that I was buying anything, I wasn't, but they did get a lot of really cute corduroys.
So we have to get through this box so we can buy some. That'll be good for our winter stove.
Yeah, for our winter and fall sewing.
Corduroys.
Okay, fall here is actually too hot for corduroy.
Yeah, winter.
Winter. So we finally have come up. We've talked it through. This is enough for both of us. What are we going to make? And we have the idea.
Yes.
And spoiler alert, Mandy's wearing the mock-up. That's my size.
It's
So,
her shirt.
it's
but
my
I just
shirt.
Had put it on to try it
And
on.
she won't take it off.
It's cute and it's like airy and the
So
sleeves.
in June here, it can be very hot. So we didn't want stuff that like clung to
Touched
us
us.
or touched us.
Especially this is not
This
super
is not going to
breathable.
be, yeah.
Like
this-
it's not like a skin tight.
that's not our
Because
vibe.
then you'll sweat and should I not
That's-
say that on camera?
No, I think you can say sweat on
Okay.
TV. All right, so, Joanne is gone. R.I.P. Joanne. So those $1.99 patterns are gone. So let's talk about where we're getting patterns, friends. This one from 1986. How old are you? 19? Don't answer. People don't need to know our ages. I was alive.
I was alive. It's little.
Simplicity 8066. Is it a muumuu? Pretty much. But with this little flutter sleeve,
It's actually super cute.
here, stand up a little bit. So it has this great little flutter sleeve, so the fabric won't be touching us. Got a square yoke neck. Now this pattern is one size. It's a medium. I bought it for $1 from somewhere,
Well, and it fits you really good.
and it fit me fine.
I just will need to take it in a tiny bit.
Yeah, so if
So my
Mandy
bra
just
doesn't show.
if Mandy just pinches out the yoke,
Okay.
and then that's it. That's all she's gonna
It'll
have to
bring
do.
this in
It'll
a
bring
little
everything
bit.
in.
And the plaid is really cute.
It's cute. It turned out fine.
There's so
Six-
much.
6 yards. 6 yards pre-washed, pre-sprinkled. So I think we're gonna make like a knee length view 2. Like this is a full length muumuu. We're gonna make it like knee length, maybe with a ruffle. We'll see how we feel. It has this balloon sleeve too, or no sleeve. You're either gonna laugh or you're gonna cry or you're gonna think we're geniuses. We're ready for any
Genius.
of the,
That's what I'm button.
We're-
Geniuses.
we're ready for all the outcomes.
I feel like showing people this.
I know.
They're going to be
They're
like,
gonna like-
so you're making a grandma nightgown. Got
Yeah,
it.
we
But
do
out
grandma
of-
hobbies.
Out of pride.
Worst case
Satin.
scenario, we all have a good laugh.
I will wear this.
I mean, that's
You
the
better
worst.
believe. First pride parade I go to, you'll find me.
You'll find me if you see her out in the wild. Come,
Take a picture.
Hello, say
Come
hey.
say hi.
Found you. It might be. This might like we're not putting the pockets on like this, okay? I mean, it has potential. Look at the top. This top is
It's
made from this
cute.
pattern.
It's cute. It's fun.
It's going to be great. So we're going to get to work. And then we'll be able to come back here, show you the finished product.
And cross
and
off another
cross
thing.
off another thing. And all right. Happy Pride, everyone. It's June, and June is Pride Month.
Yay, best month.
This month, did my outfit give it away? So we made our Pride dresses, and this is going to be a review of our Pride dresses.
They're very versatile.
They're very versatile. So, friends, we have gone on a journey. Let's talk you through the pattern. Yeah. Like,
A hot mess. You're watching a hot mess.
and you're watching Poppies and Pincushions, or as we like to call it, a hot mess. And again, happy Pride. It's June, and we'd like to start June off with a bang, and that bang is these satin outfits. So what we did was we used Simplicity 8066, which is an old pattern, and now, yeah, I mean, we should have known we were making a muumuu. Like the,
Okay,
but I
talk
did.
them through why though. Like, we didn't want it to touch us.
Okay, so where we live, in
hot.
June, it can easily be 100 degrees, and you're out at a Pride event. So, fun fact,
Outside,
my wife sings with the Sacramento Gay Men's Chorus, so I go to a lot of Pride events. So Mandy goes to a lot of Pride events, and we're just sitting listening to people sing and walking around the booths, and like booths where they sell like stickers and stuff.
Fun rainbow stuff.
Rainbow stuff.
My kind of boots.
So I like to have a special outfit. Now, I didn't make a special outfit last year, so this year I wanted to go double down, and we saw this rainbow satin at Cali Fabrics. We have a whole unboxing video here where we unbox it, and we were super excited. I think we bought 6 yards.
Yes.
And we wanted to make something that didn't touch us, and yet
Very flowy.
it's very flowy. I did mock it up. I made this shirt.
It's very cute as a shirt.
The shirt is super cute in this plaid. And this pattern is so old, it only came in one size, medium. I'm at least a large or extra large. Mandy's a small, so medium seemed perfect.
Works.
And actually, my body measurements put me pretty much in the medium. So I was like, yeah, flowy. Like it's got this flowy sleeve. Love it. Doesn't actually touch us. We were like, yes, that is the outfit.
Perfect.
And now we're here on the other side of the outfit making, and we have some thoughts, some strong thoughts. Now, I would make this dress again 100% in like a festive Hawaiian cotton fabric, like a cotton, like lawn, like a
Yes.
lightweight cotton. I would make it again in like a gauze or a double gauze. I would make it again in a seersucker, and I would wear it around my pool or to run to the store or as a shirt. I liked it as a plaid shirt. So we thought, now we knew it was a risk. We were like, is it gonna look ridiculous?
We didn't realize how ridiculous, I think.
Yeah, and
until
the fabric,
after we
well,
made
and
it.
making them, the fabric, it didn't want to be our friend. It was like, nope, no.
Very
No,
slippery.
it's very slippery.
yeah.
It's satin. It's all the things a satin is. It's slippery.
Yeah.
It's not cooperate. It didn't want to cooperate. The fabric itself takes on. It has like some splotches. We're not sure why. Well, that one.
Yeah. I'm just hyped.
And like if you got it a little wet with the iron, the spot stayed
Forever. They
forever.
just
It
stay.
stayed. No shade to the fabric. I'm sure it's us. We're 100% sure it's us. We're gonna say if you buy this fabric at Cali Fabrics, don't maybe unless you really like this.
Unless you like the church choir.
Oh yes. So okay. So knowing that they're ridiculous, these outfits, we did take them outside for a test spin this morning.
To show you everything that you can do while
It's very versatile. The outfit
this
is very
rainbow
versatile.
outfit.
We hung some laundry. We did some gardening. We went to the store. We went on a picnic. And here are some of the comments that people just in the wild gave us. One older gentleman, and I mean much older, possibly with some dementia, said, "Nice costume. They look expensive. Is that real silk?" He really liked it. So
Win.
the lady at Old Navy, she said it's like a rainbow graduation outfit
For when you graduate
for when you
from
graduate from clown college.
or yeah.
Yeah.
She liked it. She was jealous.
She was jealous. Now we did not wear the headbands. We put
We
those on
should've,
when we
but-
forgot them really.
Yeah. They kind of make it.
They really do make it a good outfit. Now,
Complete.
upon filming this video and the end of this video, I will be promptly cutting this one into a shirt because it's sticking to my body already, and today we're doing this video today because it's the coolest that it will be. So it's 79.
I'm going to keep mine a dress. I'm going to rock this again.
Not
Not sure
like
when.
a graduation.
Yeah, maybe.
Or we thought we could join the choir of a church, like a rainbow-inspired choir.
Very inclusive.
Very inclusive church, which, you know, hey, we could maybe be a supplier of these gowns for the rainbow-inspired churches, for their choirs. They'd make a really good.
We're just here to serve.
We're here to serve
out.
the people. In all honesty, they're ridiculous. They are 10 out of 10 on the ridiculous level. And sometimes in life, you just make a ridiculous outfit and then you wear it out.
And then you laugh and laugh.
And you laugh,
Laugh.
because if you don't laugh, what are you doing? And sometimes during Pride Month, you got to remember to laugh. So happy Pride, everyone. We're going to insert a whole bunch of video of us in these outfits for you to hopefully sincerely enjoy.
Give you some inspiration.
Give you some inspiration you
do.
too could make for Pride. I mean, we've told you, simplicity, that's the one, 8066. And we made, just so we're clear, we made number 2, the one with the what are these called? Sleeves called? I forget.
Bell?
No, they're like a flutter sleeve.
Flutter.
With a flutter sleeve. And it is just like a muumuu, but in rainbow satin. So there you go. That's what we have to offer. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Maybe like and subscribe if you can support this kind of ridiculousness. We're gonna go in and maybe make a rainbow dress in like a sensible
would
cotton
actually
knit.
wear?
In like a sensible cotton knit. Something a little more weather friendly, because the other thing is I noticed with this dress, it was static cling. It started static clinging to my body.
When you get out of the car and it's like
sticking
way
to
up
you,
here and you're like,
oh.
wait a second, that's
So we
not...
probably need to spray some of that anti-static to this.
Oh, that would help, huh? Good thoughts, good thoughts.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So thank you so much again. We appreciate you. Happy Pride.